it. Good, nice fried rice. Carrot, corn, peas, everything. French fried chicken. Delicious. So I'm asking you this morning to follow Auntie Claire, Jamaican way of cooking. Right? Auntie Claire Jamaican cooking. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, and remember to touch Auntie Claire, the notice button. Tell a friend to tell a friend to touch it, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Look at it. Look at the fried rice. Fried rice. Wow. Nicey. Fried chicken. This is the fried rice. So I'm asking you to like it, share, subscribe to the channel, and touch the notice button to tell a friend to tell a friend. So